How to stop apps from accessing your photos on iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, from your home screen, tap on the Settings app. Then once you tap on the settings, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the app you want to manage. So basically, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the apps. Then scroll down and look for the app you want to manage the photos of. So let me just tap on the WhatsApp for now. Once you tap on it, under the app's permissions, tap on the photos and you will get to see none selected photos, all photos option available in there. If none means completely block photo access, selected photos means allow access only to specific photos you choose, and all photos means give full access, not recommended for privacy. So do the same for any other apps you want to restrict. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.